Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change Microsoft Word display language. To start, open Word. Here in the Home menu, click on Options. After that, you will go to the Language section. Here, you can click on Add a language to install the desired language. Now, if you already have it, select that language. Click on Set as Preferred. To complete, click OK. As you see, you must restart Word. After this, when you open Word again, you can check that it is in the new language. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.